Okay, today we're making a simple salad. Because last night I prepared some sauce with some mushrooms and sausage, and it's been sitting overnight. And today we're making a fresh salad, but it's not like a salad. It's a German salad. Okay? And all it is onions and lettuce. And the secret to this salad is going to be, we're going to let it soak for a couple hours. So we got our onions, and over here I got a nice head of green leaf lettuce that I got at the market. Okay, nice green leaf lettuce. And what we're going to do is take this little bowl, and we're going to stick our onions in. It's a half an onion, by the way, which I'm only making a little salad. I don't have to make a lot, but that sure does look like a lot of onions. But you know what? I love onions. Then, to that bowl, we're going to chop this lettuce into small pieces. And we're going to mix it in. Bowl. Okay, I'll put some there. Okay, we got some nice lettuce here. I'm going to chop it. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the bowl. I know it seems like a small bowl, but my intention was not to make a lot of salad, so it's just, I'm excited. Gratz is coming for dinner, so. Okay, now we've got the lettuce and that chopped onion, and I'm just incorporating it together with my hands that are washed, Angela, if you want to know. Okay, so we got that. Now, to that, my apron was washed, so I don't have it on. So I don't have anything to wipe my hands on. But to this nice lettuce, onion, we're going to add, oh, a rag, thank you. This is going to make you some sugar. Going to add sugar right over the top of all that. Nice some sugar. That's it, sugar, pure cane sugar. And after that, some fresh Brita distilled water. Pouring it right over the top of my salad with my chopped sweet onion and my lettuce. There you go, some water. Okay, now I'm just going to take my knife and I'm going to stir it around. Okay. Now it's in there, all that sugar, water, onion. And what's going to happen is I'm going to let this soak in the sugar water with the onions. Oh, let's say 2 hours. I think it'll be 2 hours before she gets here for dinner. And right when dinner is going to be served, before, let's say, a half hour. So let's see, it's closer to 3. At about 5-ish, I will take it out. I will add olive oil and salt and pepper to the onions and lettuce. And oh man, is it good.